Question is 3000 centimeter cube, cc means centimeter cube, of oxygen was burned with 600 centimeter cube of ethane. Calculate the volume of unused oxygen. Okay, so again the question is very simple. We have to react C2H6, that is ethane, with oxygen, and we know the products are carbon dioxide and water. Here we just have to balance the reaction. Again we have 2 carbon in the left hand side, so we have to multiply RHS by 2. We have a 6 hydrogens on the left hand side, so we have to multiply RHS by 3. So the carbon and oxygen are balanced. Now what about the oxygen? Sorry, carbon and hydrogen are balanced. So let's see about the oxygen. So here we have 2 oxygen, here 2 2s are 4 oxygen, and here 3. So 4 plus 3, we have 7 oxygen in the RHS, but only 2 oxygen in the LHS. So again the solution is very simple. We have to multiply this side by 7 by 2. Okay, now again you will ask me that, sir, why 7 by 2 and not 7? So dear, we require 7 oxygen atoms and not 7 oxygen molecules. We require 7 oxygen atom and not 7 oxygen molecule, and that's the reason why I wrote 7 by 2 over here. So basically O2 is nothing but 2 times O. So if I write 7 by 2 O2, that means I am writing 7 by 2 into 2 times O. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, and we are left with 7 oxygen atoms. Okay, but sir, 7 by 2 is not viable. As of fractions, we cannot write in the chemical equation. So what we have to do, we have to multiply the whole equation by 2. So here 2, here 2 into 2 will do to cancel, and we are left with the 7. Okay, here 2 into 4, 2 is 4, and 3 into 2 is 6. So now as you can see, the reaction is completely balanced. Okay, that is a 4 carbon over here, 4 carbon over here, 6 2s are 12 hydrogen, 6 2s are 12 hydrogen, 7 2s are 14, so 4 2s are 8, and 6, so 8 plus 6 will give you 14 oxygens. Okay, so now as the reaction is completely balanced, let's move to the next part, that is according to Lussac law. So Lussac law says the volume of reactant and products are bearing the simple whole number ratio, and these ratios are nothing but 2 into dash, 7 into dash, 4 into dash, and 6 into dash. Now what informations we are provided in the question? So if you see, 300 centimeter cube of oxygen was burnt with the 600 centimeter cube of ethane. So we have to calculate the volume of unused oxygen, as they are already telling us that the volume of oxygen unused, that means oxygen will be in the excess. Okay, so how can we solve this question? So 3000 centimeter cube of 3000 centimeter cube of oxygen is given to us, and 600 centimeter cube of ethane is given to us. So if I do 2 into 600, 2 into x is equals to 600, I will left with x is equals to 600 by 2, which is nothing but the 300. Okay, so if I put 300 over here, here, and here, and here, then the volume of oxygen required for the complete ignition of ethane will be 7 into 300 is 2100. Okay, which is possible. Okay, as our total volume of oxygen is 3000, and out of 3000 we are using only 2100, that means 900 ml of oxygen is left. Okay, so we have oxygen in the excess. But some of you will be like, sir, why not we are solving with the 3000? Okay, like we can do the same thing. 7 into x is equals to 3000. Therefore x is equals to 3000 by 7, which will give us 428.5. Okay, but dear, let's suppose this is, if I am generally taking, is a 400. Okay, then also it is not possible. If I write 400 over here, so 2 into 400 won't be 600. Okay, so in this case the ethane will be in the limited amount. Okay, so we have to solve this equation with the help of 300. So our answer is 900 ml of oxygen is left. So amount of oxygen left is 900 ml. Understood?